Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can destroy nightmares heads in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So what we'll need to do is basically just shoot at those heads like this. So make sure you have a machine gun or whatever, because it's going to take a lot of bullets and shots, because as you can see you need to eliminate those creatures and also shoot in the nightmares heads. So shoot when we are open, it will be better, because otherwise it will not count, as you can see like this.
One head down. Two to go.
And as you can see, we did this mission. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.